Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing the Boxy charm unboxing. So I tried to peel off the label that had the customs bullshit on it and the label completely ripped off, so that's why my thumbnail is so disgustingly ugly. But that being said, it's time to open the Boxy charm. So I don't remember what the spoilers were. I really don't pay attention to spoilers online. I just don't care to know what's coming. I do think that there was an email that I completely missed that was letting you customize your box, and like I just said, I completely missed it, and so I didn't. So I got sent whatever the Boxy charm people decided to send me. So the box looks like this as usual, and on the inside this is what it looks like. So this month's theme is totally Boxy charm, so you get your little card that has all of the prices on it, so that's really exciting. So I'm just gonna pull up my calculator now. So the first thing that I see in the box that is reaching out to me is this Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow. So I got two different ones. So I got a copper shade and I got a gold shade. So this is the shades Ice Latte and Cotton Candy. So they look really pretty. So this is what they look like up close. So they are these really gorgeous shades. One is like a pink copper color and one is a gold color, and they are from the brand Ace Beauty. So these look really gorgeous, and they retail for Ace Beauty Glimmer Eyeshadow Duo. So they retail for $25. So that's pretty cool. You get a gold and a copper shade, and they look really gorgeous. So I'm gonna open them and swatch them just on my hands. So this is the shade Ice Latte, and it looks like that. And when I swatch it on my hand, it is this gold, gorgeous shimmer shade. And then the copper shade, or the pink shade, whatever it is Cotton Candy. And when I swatch it on my hand, it looks like this. So they are really gorgeous and super shimmery, and I'm really excited to play with them. So up close, they look like this. They are really gorgeous, really shimmery, and like very buttery feeling. Like they just feel so gorgeous, and I'm really, really excited. Those are absolutely stunning, and I will have to do a look with them in the future. I definitely think they could have paired really well with today's look that I did, but that's okay. So the next thing that I see in the box is this Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So it is by the brand Wander Beauty. So it looks like this, and it does look very similar to something that we got in last month's Boxy charm, or Boxy whatever. It looks very similar to the No Problem Prime Essence, and it comes in like the exact same bottle style, so I'm interested to see what the differences are between the two of them, so I will definitely try them out in a future video. So this retails for $42, so you get 25 milliliters for $42. That is really expensive, so I'm hoping this actually does something for my skin. So this is the Minimum Effort Maximum Results Black Currant Seed Oil. Bring out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant lumosity, while a potent blend of our signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. So gently squeeze tube to release 2 to 3 drops of Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil onto fingertips. Massage onto skin until fully absorbed. I'm assuming you do this before your makeup to give your skin like a really gorgeous glow. So we will try this out in a future video, but $42, that better do something. So the next thing that I see in here is a liner. So this is Steve Laurent, and it says reshape, resize, redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lips, lined for a seamless and flawless finish. So it retails for $15. I don't use lip liner because I don't know how, and I'm probably not about to learn anytime soon. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and I will give it to somebody that will actually get some use out of it, but it's just kind of like a brownish kind of color, and really not for me. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and the next thing that I see is Big Ego by the brand Tarte. So this is mascara. So as you guys know, I'm not really a big fan of getting mascara in boxes like this because I already have so many different types of mascara that I've gotten from Boxy charm and Ipsy and all of these subscription boxes that I've had in the past that I haven't used yet. So I don't really like getting it in the first place, just because I tend to open a mascara and use it, and then it takes me like forever to use, and then I have all of these other ones sitting and waiting, and half the time they send these big brand company mascaras to try out, like the Better Than Sex mascara, and I hated that mascara. I thought it was absolute trash. So I don't necessarily like getting mascara, but that's okay. This is a really pretty packaging. It is bright pink. So it's bright pink with gold writing and it looks absolutely stunning. It's literally like Barbie pink. And this retails for $23. So I will try it out in a future video, but it is just a simple black mascara and I'm hoping it is better than the one that I have been using. I've been using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and I don't really like this mascara. I find that it's really clumpy and doesn't really work that well. So I'm excited. Even though I don't really like getting mascara, I'm excited to try it out and see if I do like it. It feels really sturdy, it doesn't feel cheap, so that is one thing that I do like about Tarte, and it looks like it should be a good mascara, so we will try it out in the future. And then the last thing that I see in the box, oh sorry, that retails for $23. I don't know if I said that already. So we will add that in. So the last thing that I see in the box is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So this retails for $39 and it is a face powder. I'm interested to know what a Hydra face powder feels like. So it looks like this. It's like a silver kind of tin and you get 35 ounces, so 100 grams of this powder. And when I open it, it has a seal on it, so I'm not going to open it today because I know I'm going to blow it up and get it everywhere. So this says, weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. So I'm interested to know what a powder feels like on my skin that is made with 50% water because that's really interesting to me. I don't think I've ever used anything by this brand for powder wise, and I've heard of water hydrating powders before and I've never tried one, and I've been very interested in trying them because, as you guys know, I live in Canada, so I have pretty dry skin and I'm always looking for something that is going to set my face without making my skin look like the desert. So I'm interested to see how this works, so I will test this out in a future video to come. But the total of this month's box, so that is the last thing that I got in the box today. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 items in this month's box and it retails for $144. So I paid $36 for it, or $38 for it Canadian, and I got a value of $144. So of course there is going to be items in every single month that I don't necessarily like or don't necessarily want. For example, the lip pencil, I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to give it away. So if we minus $15 out of here, that's still a retail price of $129. So it is still worth it. I definitely do love BoxyCharm. I really wanted to try the Ipsy Plus Glam Box, but unfortunately they don't ship to Canada, so I'm not going obviously to be able to try them, but they look amazing as well. But I really love my subscription boxes. I'm very excited for the FabFitFun to come for the autumn season, whatever. It shipped already, so I'm excited for it to get here. But this box was really great. Of course, the only thing I didn't like was the lip pencil, and everything else was really awesome. So I'm excited to try these eyeshadows out. I'm excited to try this powder out, and I don't know if this Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil is actually going to do anything, but I like getting skincare, so I'm excited to try it out in the future. And then of course I'll try the mascara out, but it's just a mascara. I'm sure it's fine. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!